Are you wearing the wrong bra size? Let's fix that. Do you find yourself constantly readjusting your bra throughout the day, only to feel discomfort and dissatisfaction? You're not alone. 80% of women are wearing the wrong size bra. So, it may be time to reevaluate the fit of your bra. The number one mistake to avoid is not getting a professional fitting regularly. Our bodies change over time, so it's important to reassess our bra size every 6 months to ensure we are still wearing the right size. And when we go into the store for a bra fit session, we can try on different brands and styles. Because buying a bra without trying it on first can lead to disappointment. Different brands and styles can fit differently, so always take the extra time to try before you buy. And then once you have that size, once you understand that brand that you love, I love Wacoal, I love Simone Perele, I love Chantelle, so typically I can buy things online, but that's only because I've been in store and I've been fitted and I know which bras I love and fit. So that's just a little tip. And while I highly recommend going to a retailer for a bra fit session with a sales associate, I can share a few tips and tricks that will help you say goodbye to ill-fitting bras and hello to comfort and support. One common indicator that your bra may not be the right fit is if you notice the straps digging into your shoulders. This discomfort can be caused by straps that are too tight or supporting too much of the weight of your bust. If you find yourself constantly adjusting your straps to alleviate the pressure, it's a clear sign that your bra is not providing the support you want. And we're not supposed to get the support from the straps. And if you notice the band of your bra is riding up your back, this could also be a sign that your bra is not the right fit. This can be caused by a band that is too loose, which means it won't provide the necessary support for your bust. Additionally, a band that rides up can also lead to discomfort and an overall lack of proper fit. And another common mistake is not adjusting the bra band properly. It should sit parallel to the ground and snugly on the loosest hook. And then once it stretches out over time, then you put it on the next hook and the next hook and the next hook. Another telltale sign that your bra may not be the right fit is if you feel the underwire poking or dipping into your skin. The underwire should rest comfortably against your rib cage, providing support without causing any discomfort. If you find that the underwire is digging into your skin, it's likely a sign that the bra is too small or the underwire is misaligned. This can lead to irritation and soreness, so addressing this issue promptly is important. Another common indicator of an ill-fitting bra is when you notice gaps between your breasts and the cups. Ideally, your breasts should fill out the cups completely without any empty space in between. If you find that there are gaps, it could mean that the bra cups are too big for your breasts. This can lead to a lack of support, discomfort, and even visual distortions under your clothing. It's essential to ensure that your bra cups hug your breasts snugly for the best fit and comfort. And today, I'm so pleased to partner with June's Journey because murder mysteries get our brains working and our creative juices flowing, right? It's all those cryptic clues we have to string together. I've always enjoyed reading cozy mysteries and would love to attend a murder mystery event someday. It's even written on my online dating profile. So today, I'm partnering with June's Journey, a hidden object mystery game that's a detective story at heart. The game is set in the glamorous 1920s with a diverse cast of characters, including our protagonist, June, whose sister and brother-in-law have been murdered. It's up to June to find out why, and in the process, uncover who done it. And since I love fashion, I thoroughly enjoy the 1920s vintage fashion June and the other characters wear. Interactive games like June's Journey are a lot of fun to play while keeping my mind sharp at the same time. And since I can download it on my phone, the game can come along with me to the dentist, the doctor, the airport, or anywhere else I have some downtime and want to be entertained. If you love games, then June's Journey will not only keep you entertained, but keep your mind working as it finds hidden objects amongst the beautifully crafted seams. Download the game with my link listed below in the description box, and it's available on Android and iOS mobile devices, as well as PC through Facebook Games. You have lots of options when it comes to playing June's Journey. And again, everything is linked down below in the description box. Finding the right bra size is more than just a matter of aesthetics. It can have a significant impact on your comfort, confidence, and overall well-being. Prioritizing a proper fit ensures that you are properly supported throughout the day, preventing discomfort and potential health issues. So I'm going to share a few tips that you can measure at home, although I'm still going to encourage you to go to a retailer and have a professional bra fit specialist help you. Here we go. Here's your at-home, do-it-yourself DIY measuring for your bra. So first we're going to measure the band. And many women make the mistake of only focusing on the cup size when determining their bra size. It's important, and honestly this is the most important step, to pay attention to the band size, because this is where we get the support. To accurately determine your band size, start by wrapping a measuring tape snugly around your rib cage just below your bust. And make sure the tape is parallel to the ground, and take note of the measurement in inches or centimeters, whichever measurement you're using. It's inches here in the States. We need to remember that the band size should be firm but not tight, as this is what provides the majority of the bra's support. And if you've made it this far in the video, you might as well hit the subscription box down below and the notification bell. And there are 3 things you can do to help me grow the channel: like, share, and comment. Once you have your band size, you are ready to move on to the next step, determining your cup size, which will complete the equation for finding your perfect bra size. So step 2, as I said, now we're on to determining the cup size. So you're going to take that same measuring tape and you're going to wrap it around the fullest part of your bust, making sure it's parallel to the ground. Subtract your band size from the measurement to find your cup size. For example, if your band size is 34 inches and your bust measurement is 38 inches, the difference of 4 inches would correspond to a D cup. And then we'll have everything floated up here. There are these, sizes that you can go along that will help you along to find your perfect bra size. But we have to remember that the cup size vary among brands and styles, so it's important to try on different options to find the perfect fit. And also too, and this is why I recommend to go into a retailer and work with a professional bra fitter, because we have our breasts are different, and maybe you had a mastectomy and so you have special needs there, or maybe you have irregular sized breasts, or maybe your breasts don't match. There are a lot of different factors in play, and that's why a professional can come along and help us not only find the right size, but the right bra. Just like any type of clothing, different bra styles will fit and feel different on your body. Some styles may offer more support, while others may provide more comfort. And sometimes we want to minimize our bust size. So it's important to try on a variety of styles to see which ones work best for your unique shape and preferences. And remember, the perfect bra is not just about the right size, but also the right style that makes you feel confident and comfortable. And I like to keep a lot of different styles on hand, because maybe I'm wearing a t-shirt and I don't want anything exposed at all. I want a very smooth line, so I go for a t-shirt bra. Or maybe I want to show a little bit of décolletage, and so I'll have a plunge bra for that. Or, it just goes on and on and on. So that's why it's really important to try on a lot of different styles and have a lot of different ones on hand. So I'll list a variety of bras that I like down below in the description box. And also, I just want to point out again that one common mistake of wearing bras is that we have it on the wrong hook. So you don't want to start on the tightest hook right away, because bras naturally stretch out over time. So starting on the loosest hook allows for adjustments as the bra ages. And additionally, not adjusting the straps properly can lead to discomfort and lack of support. So make sure that your straps are snug but not digging into your skin, and you start off on the loosest hook. And now that we've taken a look at the right size bra and a variety of styles, let's talk about our bra collection because we want to keep it in top condition. They are the hardest working item in our wardrobe, next to our panties. So I'm just going to share a few simple tips. And one key aspect of maintaining your bras is to hand wash them instead of throwing them in the washing machine. But if you have to throw it in the washing machine, I highly recommend getting the mesh lingerie bag. But honestly, I like to hand wash my bras and panties because this gentle method really helps preserve the shape and elasticity of the bras and ensuring that they last longer. But as I said, if you throw it in the washing machine, get that mesh lingerie bag and wash it on the delicate cycle in cold water. And additionally, it's a good idea to rotate between different bras to prevent wearing them out too quickly. And we typically always have, or at least I do, I always have like one favorite one that's my one go-to. So I really kind of have to force myself to have other favorites in my rotation because when I do that, I give each bra a break in between wears and it extends their lifespan and it also helps maintain the support that they're supposed to give. I also want to share that you want to store your bras properly too. That's a very, very important step. So make sure to hook the clasp not only before you wash it, but before you store them in your drawer. And that just really helps them to prevent snagging and damage, not only to your bra, other bras, but your clothes too. And lastly, we want to be mindful of how to dry our bras. So avoid using a dryer. I mean, honestly, heat is such an enemy to clothes and especially lingerie because that breaks down the elastic fibers in the fabric. So instead, lay your bras flat to dry or hang them up on a well-ventilated area. And I have a drying rack that really helps me. It's in my laundry room. And you can purchase those. Mine actually is installed on the wall. Just makes it really, really easy because if we follow these simple steps, we can ensure that our bra collection stays in great shape for longer because it really is an investment. Because we know that bras provide us with the comfort and support we need to look our best every day. So ladies, finding the perfect bra size is crucial for comfort and support. So if you just follow these simple steps that I just went through in the video, measuring your band size, determining your cup size, trying on different styles, and avoiding common fitting mistakes, you can finally say goodbye to uncomfortable bras and hello to a well-fitted bra because our confidence and comfort are worth the effort. So don't settle for anything less than the perfect fit. Take the time to find the right bra size and your wardrobe will thank you. As Marilyn Monroe famously said, give a girl the right bra and she can conquer the world. And a big thank you to June's Journey for today's sponsored post. And thank you, my lovely subscribers, for supporting the brands that allow me to bring you fresh ideas. Okay, ladies, I hope you found a few tips that are going to help you find the right bra because it makes all the difference in the world. Of course, leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.